dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today let us go for the quick revision notes of kingdom Mycota or fungi. This kingdom Mycota or fungi is a unique kingdom of heterotrophic organisms. The common mushrooms and toadstools belongs to this kingdom fungi. The white spots on the mustard is due to the presence of the parasitic fungus. The example for unicellular fungi is yeast, which is used to make bread and beer. Puccinia is the fungi which causes wheat rust. Penicillium is the fungi which acts as antibiotics. Fungi are said to be cosmopolitan. That means they occur in air, water, soil and on animals and plants. Fungi prefer to grow in warm and humid places. The fungi body is said to be filamentous, that means tube-like, except unicellular fungi such as yeast. The body of the fungi is made up of slender thread-like structures and they are known as hyphae. And the network of hyphae is known as mycelium. The hyphae are of two types. The first is cenocytic hyphae. That means they are continuous tubes filled with multinucleated cytoplasm. And the second kind is septae. That means hyphae with cross walls. The cell wall of fungi are composed of chitin and polysaccharides. Some fungi are saprophytes. That means the organisms which feed on dead organic substrates. And some are parasites. That means those which depends on living plant and animals. And some fungi are symbionts. That means the organisms which lives in association with the other organisms. And there are certain examples for symbiotic fungi such as lichens. These lichens are in association with algae. And the second example is mycorrhiza. These mycorrhiza are in association with roots of higher plants. Now, let us go for the reproduction in fungi. The vegetative reproduction in fungi takes place by fragmentation, fission and budding. And the asexual spores are conidia, sporangiospores and zoospores. And the sexual reproduction takes place through oospores, ascospores and basidiospores. The various spores of fungi are produced in distinct structure called fruiting bodies. Next is sexual cycle of fungi. The sexual cycle of fungi involves three events. The first is plasmogamy, that is fusion of protoplasm between two motile or non-motile gametes. The second one is karyogamy, that means fusion of two nuclei. The third is meiosis in the zygote resulting in the production of haploid spores. The two haploid hyphae of compatible mating types, they come together and fuse, and this is said to be sexual reproduction in fungi. And the fusion of two haploid cell, that is N plus N, results in diploid cells, that is 2N. And in ascomycetes and basidiomycetes, an intervening stage, that is N plus N, that is 2 nuclei per cell, and it is called dikaryon. The phase of this dikaryon is known as dikaryophase. The reduction division occurs in fruiting bodies, and reduction division leads to the formation of haploid spores. The classification of fungi into different classes are based on three important features. The first is morphology of mycelium. Second one is mode of spore formation. Third one is fruiting bodies. Now let us move towards the first class, Phycomycetes. These Phycomycetes are found in aquatic or else in a decaying wood, in moist and damp places. They live as obligate parasites on plants. The mycelium of Phycomycetes is said to be aseptate and cenozoic. The asexual reproduction takes place through zoospores and they are motile, and aplanospores, they are non-motile. And the spores are endogenously produced in a structure known as sporangium. And the spore formed by the fusion of gametes is zygospore. And there are three conditions here. First one is isogamous condition. That means fusion of gametes similar in morphology. Second is anisogamous condition. Here the fusion of gametes which are dissimilar in morphology can be seen. And oogamous, here the fusion of one large non-motile and one small motile gametes is seen. An example for Phycomycetes is Mucor, Rhizopus, that is bread mold, and Albugo. It's a parasitic fungi on mustard. Next is Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes is commonly known as sac fungi. An example for multicellular Ascomycetes is Penicillium. An example for unicellular Ascomycetes is yeast or Saccharomyces. These Ascomycetes are found as saprophytic, decomposers, parasitic, and coprophilous. Coprophilous means they are growing on dung. And mycelium of Ascomycetes is said to be branched and septate. And asexual spores are conidia, and these conidia are exogenously produced on a special mycelium, and it is called conidiophore. And conidia on germination produce a structure called mycelium. The sexual spores of Ascomycetes is said to be ascospores. The ascospores are endogenously produced in a sac-like structure called asci, or in singular it is ascus. The asci are arranged in different types of fruiting bodies, and those fruiting bodies are said to be ascocarps. The Ascomycetes which are used extensively in biochemical and genetic work is Neurospora. And examples for edible fungus is morels and trefoils. Now let us move on to the examples of Ascomycetes: Aspergillus, Claviceps, Neurospora, Penicillium, and yeast or Saccharomyces. Let's move on to Basidiomycetes, and they are commonly known as bracket fungi or puffballs. And commonly known Basidiomycetes is mushrooms, and they are found, or Basidiomycetes grow on soil, on logs, on tree stumps, in living plant bodies as parasites. An example for parasitic Basidiomycetes is rust and smuts. The mycelium of Basidiomycetes is found to be branched and septate. The asexual spores are generally not found in Basidiomycetes. But the vegetative reproduction in Basidiomycetes takes place through fragmentation. The sex organs are absent in Basidiomycetes. But plasmogamy in Basidiomycetes is brought about by fusion of two vegetative or two somatic cells of different strains or different genotypes. Next, the resultant is dikaryotic after this plasmogamy that ultimately give rise to a structure called basidium. Karyogamy and meiosis in basidium produces 4 basidiospores. Keep a note on it. The basidia are arranged on a fruiting body called basidiocarps. And the examples for Basidiomycetes are agaricus, common mushroom, Ustilago, that means smut, Puccinia, also known as rust fungus. Next is Deuteromycetes. They are commonly known as imperfect fungi because these are said to be imperfect because only asexual or only vegetative phases of these fungi are known. The Deuteromycetes reproduce only by asexual spores and they are known as conidia. Once perfect or sexual stages of members of Deuteromycetes was discovered, they were moved to Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. Deuteromycetes reproduce by asexual spores and they are known as conidia, as discussed above, right? Next, mycelium of Deuteromycetes is said to be branched and septate. The members of Deuteromycetes are usually saprophytic, some are parasitic, and large number are said to be the decomposers which help in mineral recycling process. Next is the examples for Deuteromycetes. Alternaria, Calyptotrichum, Trichoderma. So these are the 3 examples for Deuteromycetes. These are some of the information about the kingdom Mycota or fungi. Hope this helped you. Thank you for listening.